In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create an assignment. To create an assignment, click on the red Add button in the upper right corner. Choose the first option to Add Assignment. When adding an assignment in eBackpack, you can choose the location or locations where you want to add copies of this folder, whether it be your My Files or multiple classes at one time. After choosing the location, give your assignment a name. We recommend a unique name for each assignment to prevent confusion for you and your students. To the right of the assignment name is the option to set a due date and due time. If you want something different from the defaults for the class, uncheck the box and select a more specific date and time. Next, enter any instructions or guidance your students will need to complete the assignment. You can use the HTML editor to leave instructions for your students. Include URLs to any website and eBackpack will automatically hyperlink those web addresses, so all your students have to do is click the link. And optionally, add in learning tools from the sources that you have available to you. If you need to add files to the assignment folder, make sure you are viewing the Materials tab. Click the link inside of the box, click or drop files here to attach. You will now have the option to choose from your computer, your eBackpack account, or an external service account such as Box, Dropbox, Google, Windows Live, or OneDrive for Business. Select your file from any of these locations and choose Add File. The Grading and Turn-In tab will give you access to the options to choose the evaluation type, the available points, extra credit points. If you want to allow turn-in, students will be allowed to turn in completed work to this assignment folder. If you turn Allow Turn-In off, students will not be able to upload files to this assignment. You could select No here if you just want to use eBackpack to notify students of upcoming assignments or projects. For example, if the assignment was for students to read Chapter 7, then because all the students are doing is reading, there's nothing for them to turn in. eBackpack will still notify them that they need to read Chapter 7. Allow Late Turn-In allows students to turn in work after the set due date has passed. All submissions are timestamped, so it is easy for the teachers to know whether or not a student turned their work in on time. Late assignments will be marked with a red stamp that says late, so you no longer have to keep track of who turned in work after the deadline. Next, select when you want to release grades back to the students: immediately, on the due date of the assignment folder, on a specific date in the future, or to not release the grades at all. No matter which option you choose, as the teacher, you will always be able to see the feedback and grades given. This only affects when the students will see the grades. If you are adding this folder to a class that has standards tagging set up, you will be able to tag this assignment with specific standards. See our standards video for more information on setting up and tagging. If you want to grade with a rubric, toggle this to on to build your rubric. See our rubric video to learn more about creating and grading with rubrics. The Visibility tab will let you choose if you want the assignment folder to be visible or hidden. See our visibility video for more information on this feature. After you have the assignment parameters set up, click the Save button. The assignment will then be copied to all the locations you have selected. Students now have immediate access to the assignment and all of the associated files.